What's up guys? In this video, let's go ahead and check out AEX One AI, and I will show you how to withdraw our earnings as well as check out the low touch client trading. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is AEX One AI. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Let me just give you a quick and brief description on what AEX One AI is. And this is the best description on what AEX One AI is. It's an artificial intelligence algorithm and quantum computing techniques. It will help you make money on the difference in the selected pair value. So that is AEX One AI. So let me also show you this. They have a video on how you can protect your crypto assets. It's a 3-minute long video. Let me just quickly show you a glimpse of it. All right, look at this. All right, so I would encourage you guys to watch the entire video. That way you would have an idea on how you could protect your crypto assets as well. Okay, so next up guys, I wanted to show you this one. All right, so this is the wallet in AEX One AI. And as you could see here, I have $279.88 available. So that's the balance details. And then later on, we will be investing on the low touch client trading. So it's done, and it says here active LTCT plans is the 250 USDT. You have all of the information that we reviewed earlier. And then it will stay there for 40 days. And then we're going to go ahead and check that out once it is done. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how you can withdraw your earnings in AEX One AI. So let me go ahead and click on please select wallet. I would like to choose USDT Tether US. So click on that one. All right. So what we have in our wallet is 28.45. 28.45, and then choose TRX20 for that. Let me paste the wallet address that I would like it to be sent to. Okay, so let me put the amount 28.45 and then put in the wallet that I would like it to be sent to. Okay. So overview, click on overview on that one. Says, please make sure that you have entered all the payment details correctly. So make sure guys that you are putting all the information correctly. That way it will not get lost. So let me put my PIN. So this is another security for your account. So click on approve, then it's done. All right, so you have sent it. So it's pending right here. It should be able to get approved in a few minutes. Just leave it there. It will definitely get into your wallet. All right, so these are the social media platforms, guys, for AEX One AI. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit on this one. So they have Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. They have Instagram as well. They have YouTube, and they have LinkedIn as well as TikTok. Go ahead and check out all their social media platforms. Again, guys, do your own research. This is one thing that is best to check out when you do your own research. And of course, guys, this is another way on how you could get extra income with AEX One, which is the Partners Network. So this is the partner program, guys, wherein you could get the invite link and then share it to your friends in Facebook or wherever, your friends, your family. That way they would know that they could check out AEX One and they could start earning passively out of their investment. So again, guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe and click that bell. That way you will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.